Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE T40 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. In the system, let's localize System Update, and here tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Settings. And here we've got different options which are connected with the automatic update. So here, automatically check for update. Here we've got 1 day, 3 days, and weekly. It's up to you. You can mark the option which you wish. Here we can update via Wi-Fi only. I highly recommend to turn this option on, thanks to which your device will not download the packages through mobile data. And here you can allow automatic download over Wi-Fi network, and simply turn it on so your device will not only download the packages but also update them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.